Welcome to the IT Challenge registration tutorial. In this video, we'll run you through the final registration step. First of all, remember that the registration closes on November 30. Let's start with filling out your team information. Select your country from the list, and if it's not in there, feel free to add it. Pick the country where your university is from, and give us the name of your team members. Remember, you need to be at least 2 and a maximum of 4 in your group. Before switching tabs, press save. You can always come back to it later. Now it's time to explain your idea. Make sure first to read all the questions before answering them, in order to avoid repetition. Once all the mandatory fields of both tabs are filled in, simply press the submit button. Be aware, once you press the submit button, you cannot make any changes. For any specific questions, feel free to reach out to us at itchallenge@atos.net. May the force be with you.